Happy 4th of July. Again, I ain't got no plans. Just really getting up and moving for the day. But Saturday's active rest day. We need more active rest days. A lot of y'all go to the gym 2 or 3 days and be like, oh, I'm so tired. So tired. I need a break. I mean, that's cool. Listen to your body always, but it's okay to take active rest days where you're not lifting weights and still damaging your muscles. But you might take a few laps around the track or hop on the elliptical and get on a bike, do some moderate cardio. Ooh. Go sit in the sauna or something. Just keep your body moving. Happy Saturday. Happy 4th of July. Ooh. Got some cardio today. Active rest day this Saturday. So yeah, we gonna stretch. Got a 10-minute warm-up stretch. Gonna hop on the bike for 25 minutes. Hop on the elliptical 25 minutes. Then finish up. Cause what's that? That's an hour. And I'll probably do, depending on how much I can take, cause I don't really like dry sauna. They got dry sauna here. I'm more of a wet kind of guy. Man, it hurts. Saturday, so I'm gonna chill. I'll probably hop on the game. Cause we ain't doing nothing until later. I'm going downtown. We're gonna go downtown, see some fireworks. And this is a horrible 4th already. It's all like gray and gloomy. It does not look like a 4th of July type of day. So, Saturday cardio. Matter of fact, it's the first Saturday. First Saturday vlog. We'll give y'all a tour of this gym, but it ain't really nothing special for real. Y'all really is not missing too much of nothing. But no, for real talk, get up and move your body any and every day you can. The more you move today, the more you live tomorrow. That's all I'm saying. Yeah, so like I was saying, 25 minutes on a bike, 25 minutes on the elliptical, 10 to 25 in a dry sauna. We'll go back home. And then I'll let y'all get ready with me. Y'all be safe out there. Have a good day. Don't get too drunk. If you do, make sure y'all get y'all some drivers. But I'll catch y'all at the cardio.
Don't call her the patio, bitch, is a terrace. We finna make us a killing it. Should've played.
Slice. Every level you go up, change the price. Got some off time today. I did what God.